There is nothing more frustrating than seeing a warning light on your dashboard, especially when it is telling you something simple like your gas cap is loose, but you know for a fact you tightened it until it clicked. If you are dealing with the P0624 code, the computer is telling you there is a malfunction specifically in the fuel cap lamp control circuit. This isn't just about the cap being loose. It means the system that is supposed to turn that warning light on or off is having a breakdown. The powertrain control module, or PCM, monitors this circuit constantly. It uses sensors to check fuel tank pressure and decides if the cap is off. If it tries to turn the warning light on and can't, or sees a weird signal, it sets this code. Now, this might seem minor, but if that light isn't working, you might miss a real leak that releases harmful vapors or messes with your fuel economy. Start your diagnosis by grabbing a scan tool and checking for other codes. Sometimes this is a symptom of a larger EVAP system issue. Write down everything you find, then clear the codes. Take the car for a drive. If the code comes back immediately, you have a hard fault. If it takes a while, it is intermittent, which can be trickier. You'll want to check the fuse box first. It sounds silly, but a blown fuse can cause this. Next, you need to get behind the instrument cluster or access the wiring for that specific warning lamp. You are looking for loose connections, pinched wires, or signs of water damage. If your car has had a leak or a spill near the dashboard, corrosion could be the culprit. If you have a digital volt-ohm meter, check the ground connections for the instrument panel. A bad ground can cause all sorts of weird electrical gremlins. Also, don't ignore the bulb itself. If the code says the circuit is open, it might just be that the tiny light bulb for the fuel cap warning has burned out. It's a pain to get to, but a cheap fix. If all the wiring checks out, the bulb is good, and the fuses are fine, you might be looking at a bad instrument cluster or, in rare cases, a faulty computer that needs reprogramming. But 9 times out of 10, look for the simple wiring issue or a burnt-out bulb before you start replacing expensive modules.